The chest press is an exercise you can do with a weight machine to work the chest muscles. Specifically, the chest press targets the pectoral muscles in the front of the chest. Strengthening these muscles can help you improve your ability to lift and push, and also improve your performance in a variety of sports.
To do the chest press with a weight machine, adjust the seat so the hand grips are at or slightly below shoulder height. Then slowly press forward, straightening your elbows. Don't arch your back or lock your elbows. Allow the hand grips to move toward your chest until your upper arms are at your body. Slowly return to the starting position. You'll feel tension across your upper chest. When you're doing the chest press, be careful not to lock your elbows or let your elbows drop back behind your body. For most people, one set of 12 to 15 repetitions is adequate. Remember, for best results, don't lock your elbows and keep your movements smooth and controlled.